Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here from Heinen's Grocery Stores. The holidays are around the corner, so I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely delicious, foolproof strip roast recipe. Strip roasts are such a fantastic alternative to the normal turkey recipes on Thanksgiving or Christmas or any other winter holiday. They are loaded with flavor, and I promise you, if you have big meat fans in your family, they will love this. Heinen's also has fantastic recipe cards right in front of the meat counter. Be sure to pick it up, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So I've got a beautiful 5-pound boneless strip roast that we are going to rub down with olive oil and seasonings. You can also do this with ribeye. It could also be bone-in as well. So you can have a bone-in strip roast or a boneless like this one, or a bone-in ribeye or a boneless ribeye. It is up to you. Be sure to get your butcher to cut the exact size that you want. Now for the seasonings. In a bowl, we have some ground black pepper. We're going to add in some celery salt, some kosher salt, next some dry rosemary, dry thyme, and then last but not least, Two Brothers prime rib seasoning, loaded with lots of goodness in here. Definitely add that in there. Go ahead and grab a spoon and mix all of these things together until they're completely combined. Set it to the side. Now we're going back over to that strip roast. We've got some olive oil. Just coat the top of it, rub it on all sides. Next, with those seasonings, same exact process. Sprinkle it on there, rub it on all those sides. Let all of those wonderful flavors just completely coat this strip roast. Now we are going in the oven on 450 degrees for in between 20 and 25 minutes. We want to get a nice brown outer crust. After that time, crank the heat down to 250 degrees and then cook it for 20 minutes per pound. I'm going to cook it till about 125 to 130 degrees internally, which gets me that beautiful medium rare. Definitely invest in a good thermometer. You will not regret it. Now we're going to pull it out, let it rest for about 10 minutes before we slice it up and serve it up. Such an easy to make, absolutely delicious, my friends. I promise this will be the talk of your holiday season. Be sure to try it out. We'll see you soon.